It's a safe bet. Understanding common English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. The phrase is, "It's a safe bet." Understanding such phrases can add a natural flow to your English speaking and comprehension. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this interesting expression. The phrase, "It's a safe bet," is commonly used in English to indicate that something is very likely to happen or that you are quite confident about a particular outcome. It's similar to saying, "I am almost certain," or, "It's very likely." However, it's more colorful and adds a bit of personality to your conversation. For example, if someone says, "It's a safe bet that it will rain tomorrow," they mean that they are pretty sure it will rain, based on the information or evidence they have. Understanding where phrases come from can help us remember and use them more effectively. The phrase, "It's a safe bet," originates from gambling contexts, where a safe bet refers to a wager that has a high chance of winning. Over time, this phrase has transitioned into everyday language to indicate that something is almost certain to happen, even outside of gambling scenarios. Using "it's a safe bet" in your conversations can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Here are some examples of how you can incorporate this phrase into your dialogues. 1. Predicting outcomes. It's a safe bet that the company will launch the new product next month. 2. Giving advice. If you study hard, it's a safe bet that you'll pass your exams. 3. Expressing confidence. Considering his skills, it's a safe bet that he'll solve the problem quickly. Remember, while the phrase usually indicates a high level of certainty, it still implies a slight chance of uncertainty, making it perfect for situations where you are almost, but not entirely, 100% sure. In English, it's common to encounter variations of phrases that have similar meanings. For "it's a safe bet," some alternatives include, "It's likely," "chances are," "there's a good chance." These variations can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and your personal style of speaking. Now you're equipped to use "it's a safe bet" in your conversations. This phrase is a great tool for expressing probability and confidence in a natural and fluent manner. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your comprehension but also makes your English sound more native. We hope this video has been helpful, and it's a safe bet that your English will keep improving with practice. See you in the next one!